Look at this. Waterfall, Chris.
Yes!
Let's go over.
Butch, I don't think it's enough water.
What?
You know, Butch and Sundance.
Yeah. Waterfall. All the way down there.
Well, if this one's flowing this good, the other one's probably pretty good.
I'm gonna go around, Chris.
Where's the big one at?
Chris.
Okay, I am holding up for the camera.
Huh?
I'm holding up for the camera so I can take pictures of y'all down there.
The camera?
No, Starling.
Oh, alright. Alright. I'm going down to the waterfall, you guys. It's gonna be awesome. The water's flowing. It's gonna be pretty fun. Can't wait to see it. Haven't been here for a while. But this waterfall is pretty fun if you get to know. Just walking on the trail, hanging out with my family. With my cousin and his girlfriend. My girlfriend's at her house, her cousin. Hanging out, just having some fun. Wish you I love her so much. You know what I mean? Look at the water. Going on the trail, you guys. Hey Chris, I see you. Alright. Hey, be careful, it's kind of slippery. Pretty fun out here. Going down. Going down the trail. Hopefully I don't fall. Pretty slippery. Oh shit. Let's see. Up here. Oh god. Dangerous. I've been here for a while. People all the way up there, you guys. I'm all the way down here at the bottom. Scary. I'm gonna die down here, man. Ever get stuck in here. All the way up there. Let's go check out the waterfall. I get my hood on real quick so I don't get wet. Walking under it. This is the waterfall. Ah, it's exciting. Really fun. Look at this. So cool. Feel the cold air. Feel the water. I'm right underneath it. I really want my girlfriend to come down here with me sometime, so I can give her a big kiss. It's pretty nice. This is in Heber Springs, Arkansas. Briarfield Falls, you guys. It's really cool. Y'all should come check it out. I don't know what else to say. It's just really pretty, really nice. That's all I gotta say. See, from my point of view, you get a better look at it. If you were here in person, you're all the way at the bottom of this giant hole down here. Giant splash of water. They're all the way up there. Pretty high up. Talk to y'all later. Bye.